I like coral cats.
Bula Vinaka. I'm Andrew from Coral Cats Sailing in Fiji. We're based out of Port Dinnerau. We normally do a day sail, which leaves the port at around 9:30 in the morning. We have this wonderful archipelago of islands coming up for all the way from the Mamanukas to the Asawas, where these sorts of opportunities to go sailing on a nice sailboat, do some snorkeling, some diving, a little bit of fishing on the way.
And that fish is called a barracuda.
Yeah, and included in that day is an amazing Fijian barbecue lunch, lots of fresh fruit and nice fruit drinks along the way. About 2-hour sail out to our best snorkeling spot, where there's just amazing corals, fish, sea life, all sorts of things you can find along the way, like turtles, flying fish, all sorts of seabirds and wildlife. Great opportunity to come and experience some of Fiji's marine aquatic life. We got some real comfy bean bags and nice places to chill on the boat, hang out, have a couple of drinks with your friends, or just kick back, listen to some music, or just take in the serenity.